Hi! I just want to share my underarm routine kasi ayun yung kilikili ko. It has a lot of improvement na, like from all throughout the years. Meron pa rin siyang dark areas, but I'm proud of the improvement of my underarm. Ito yung daily routine ko with my underarm. I use this Cathedral armpit toner. One pump lang with this one. What it does is, it minimize the pores on your skin. Nakakatulong rin siya para mas smoothen yung surface of your underarm. Just wait for a few minutes, siguro mga 2 minutes, para matuyo siya. Mag-settle down yung toner na nilagay mo sa yung underarm. And after that, I will be using the whitening and smoothening Mineral Deo Spray of Cathedral. Actually, I super love this. This is my 3rd bottle of this deodorant. Super love ko yung smell niya sa kilikili kasi hindi niya ginagawang maasim ang aking kilikili. Amoy ano siya? Amoy malinis. Ganon. Amoy bagong ligo. Ganon. Spray ko lang siya. And I swear to you guys, this too works for my daily underarm routine. Kasi talagang no pawis at all sa aking kilikili. For my nighttime underarm routine naman, ang ginagamit ko lang na product is one product lang, and this is the Cathedral Magic Underarm Serum. Ayan. Actually, they are partners, but I prefer to use this one sa gabi because sa gabi hindi na ako nagde-deodorant. I just use this serum. Again, these are my underarm must-haves. All are from Cathedrals, which I super love and